Hey, today we're going to go over mosquito dissection instructions. Step 1. Gather your field samples. Step 2. Gather your needed materials for your stations, which are listed below. Step 3. Organize your samples into male and female groups based off of sex. On the left you can see male species and on the right, female. Step 4. Place your sample on dry ice for dissection. Step 5. Carefully remove the wings and place into a micro test tube. Step 6. Remove the thorax and the head and place in separate test tubes. Step 7. Make sure to properly store everything and clean your station to look like you were never there.